got a free shower. The lady just showed up, but when I was there was nobody there, so I just walked right in and grabbed a towel. We're used to people feeding me. Hello. Look how fat this guy is. These squirrels are fed well here. They remind me of my friend Tannen. Squirrels. Hi, you little spoiled squirrel, calling for your food. Front door service.
I know.
He's too fat. He has to lay down for a little bit. I don't have anything for you. Good morning. Happy deer? Prancing around in the meadow. I don't know if you can see this, but do you see all the freaking mosquitoes? I can't stay out here very long. There's so many mosquitoes. Ah! Yeah, I'm gonna make sure I bring some mosquito repellent. Things that you don't want to see too often in the backcountry. It usually means someone is getting rescued. here. A police there. Something's going on down here, and I don't know what it is. What are the odds of a DoorDasher getting mauled by a bear walking to someone's home in the mountains? And this is me changing a car. Because I'm in a residential area. Oh, I'm gonna change the shirt because I've been wearing the shirt a lot. I love the shirt, it's one of my favorite shirts. But I slept last night here because I'm near a city, and it was late because I was door dashing. I made like $70 something door dashing for the evening. And now I'm gonna go to a coffee shop to do a little more work before my check-in at the hot springs. But yeah, another thing I do, if I'm in a residential area or like I don't feel safe in the area or something, I learned this from my friend. If I really have to pee, I'll use a Ziploc bag, which it's just for emergencies. But it's not very easy to pee when you're a woman. A trick that I do if I want to pee and I want some privacy is I open up this door, you know. Oh shoot, my teddy bear. And then I open up this door. And it's kind of messy right now. I need to clean. And then I just like pull my pants down, of course, and I squat right here. And look at this view I've got of this beautiful freeway. But it's starting to get busy now. People are driving by, so it's time to leave. Strims. Time to go wash up. Alright, time to go brush my teeth and face. Hopefully it's open, no? Alright, backup plan. They're not open until 9, so I'm gonna go to a coffee shop. Oh, a bird just flew on the hood of my car. It's cute, it's a little bird. So I wanted to say one thing. I just showed you, saw how messy my car, it gets really messy easily if you don't put things back. And partly it's because you don't have a lot of space, and you're looking for things all the time. So my advice is to have a place for your stuff. Like, I always need my toothbrush and toothpaste. I usually have it right in my console. My key, I was digging for my hairbrush because I hardly use it, and so I'm like digging through my bag to look for it. So all my clothes are jumbled up now. I have a set place for my dishes. But like, my food is kind of everywhere now. I have these potatoes I got at the farmer's market, and grapes laying here, and then I have my computer here to the side. I have like dirty clothes. I need to put it in a dirty clothes area. So every now and then I just gotta take a moment, and it only takes me probably like 30 minutes, but just do a really quick clean and keep it organized and get rid of any trash and stuff, because it gets messy really quick living in a small area, like in a car, in a van. And I have like ADHD, so I lose things very easily, or forget things. So I have to have things that I do to make sure that I'm not, losing my head. Basically, I'll have my key, I put it in a certain place. But since I moved into my van, I've I've lost my key so many times, and now I have 2 spots where I have to put my key. That way I don't lose it. But just some little tips and stuff, and just the reality of living in your vehicle that I just wanted to share with you. The lady, because the other place was closed till 9. I still have an hour. So, I mean, it's the truth. I'm door dashing right now. I'm waiting for an order. So I was like, can I use your restroom? Because I'm door dashing and I just need to go real quick. She said, yeah. Doing some work here. So I'm door dashing right now to make a little extra money. While I was waiting for this order that wasn't ready yet, the guy gave me a free iced tea, so I thought that was nice. So, little things like that I get excited about. Good morning.